Let's clean our playground.
After school, the pupils go to the playground. At first, the playground looks dirty. There is rubbish on the ground. Anna sees the mess and says, "We must clean it." First, they pick up the rubbish. Then they throw the rubbish in the bin. The teacher arrives a little later. She says, "Do clean the playground." She also says, "Don't throw rubbish on the ground." The pupils listen and work together. After some time, the playground becomes nice and clean. Tom says, "Our playground is clean now." Anna answers, "Yes, we must keep it clean every day. They mustn't make the playground dirty again."